Carpet out, cork in. So many people are ripping out carpet because of the health concerns associated with allergens and asthma, but they don't know what to use to replace it. Cork is the natural answer. Soft, warm, and quiet, cork has many of the same attributes as carpet without the allergic storm that carpet whips up. Bedrooms and living rooms, as well as basements, are all spaces that carpet can be found. That makes for one heck of a disturbance if you are sensitive to dirt or airborne particles. People who suffer from asthma, COPD, pulmonary edema, or just plain hay fever can find carpet a beast to live with. If you are looking for a floor that can go everywhere, including kitchens and bathrooms, then cork can be an excellent option. You can have the high-end look of a house filled with the same flooring without the usual price tag that goes with it. Wood-look porcelain tile is beautiful, but expensive. A cork floating floor can go throughout a home. Its matching glue-down tile can be installed in a bathroom for a near-seamless installation. If you are tired of dealing with increased inhaler use or wish you could rid yourself of your dust mite allergy, have a look at Forna's lineup of cork flooring products. Forna carries 60+ different products available in both floating click-together floors and glue-down tiles. Cork underlay in 3 different thicknesses are also available for those who wish to add more benefits of cork: more cushion, more thermal insulation, more acoustic insulation.